Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So currently, we're over here smashing things out on the CRX. We dropped the oil pan gasket. We're throwing up the new Felport reusable gasket. I ended up cleaning the bottom of the block. I didn't feel like I had to show you guys me cleaning it off. Super simple. You guys could do it. So this is Scotch-Brite right here. I believe it's 600 grit. I had some extra laying around. And check that out, man. Like, seriously, check that out. That's what the bottom of the block is looking like. I hit it with a razor blade and I hit it with the Scotch-Brite right after. It looks good. So that's super clean. It was super useful. I would recommend it. It's up to you. You could, find your own solutions to getting off the gasket maker. It's all up to you, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can see me too well, but I also took the time out of my day to throw on this Lexan. It looks pretty clean. You guys can't really see it, but check that out. Bam. So yeah, it's on there. If you guys can't tell, I got my fuel cell in the mail. Yeah, this shit looks super clean, super budget friendly. I paid 50 bucks for this. Shipping was free. It got here ASAP. All right, guys, check out the fuel cell. Super clean. Really small. This is 2.5 gallons right here. Hey, I'm not even gonna lie, I got this shit off of eBay and I'm super happy with the results. Like, the dimes are stacked up very nice. When I opened it up, it also looks very good in the inside too. Check that out. Super clean. It didn't come with the fittings. I had extra fittings from the catch can, but overall it's cool. It has the level sender inside as well. It's going to be super convenient when it comes down to weight reduction. There's a reason why I ended up going full Lexan. I'm trying to take out as much weight as possible. But yeah, the fuel cell is super nice. I'm a big fan of it, honestly. I need to find a mounting point. I need to get some more dash 10 line. I also need to get an external fuel pump. There's a fire down the block. Hopefully it's not a house, that'd be very tragic for the person. But we got that fire going on. Then we have another fire down there. It's pretty big. Honestly, it's been burning for a couple days now. I'll say this is coming on the second night. Look at that. That's a lot of smoke. That's huge. Check this out. This is all Adam right here. Fucking buff guy. Woo, son! That's all Adam. Tapping in with an update. I just got home from Home Depot. I didn't have enough time yesterday after dropping the fuel tank. I pretty much picked up what I need to make the support beam for the fuel cell. So I picked up some black iron. I also picked up a steel plate, and let me show you how I'm gonna run it. It's gonna go from the left side over here across to the right, and I'm gonna have two of the rods parallel. I figured that I'll run the bars across and I'll mount them to the tabs here, so I could avoid having it shake or move around. It'll be very secure with the support beams that I'm going to be making. As you can see, and just lay the plate flat, but I'm going to section it. I'm going to have 4 tabs, and that's going to be for the mounting points of the fuel cell. This is going to keep it stationary. Alright guys, check it out. This is how the fuel cell is going to be mounted up. As you can see, we have 2 bars here. They're going to tie into the chassis of the CRX. The rear of the CRX is very flimsy because it's sheet metal. And I also have these plates here that's going to support the fuel cell. I'm going to tapping it in and welding on the inside. You won't be able to see the weld from the outside. It's going to be clean, very sturdy, and yeah, it's going to get the job done. Yo, what up everybody? Tapping in with a quick update. Right now I just finished the first bracket. I was working on the second bracket. As I was laying my last bead, the welder overheated, which is cool. You know, I needed a little break anyways. I got some water, you know, I'm chilling out, it's cooling down. And while I'm doing that, I'm taking the time to kind of like look over my work, and it's been a while since I've laid any beads down. So seeing this, it kind of makes me proud of myself. I'm not even gonna lie, there's no better feeling knowing that I do this shit on my own. I've kind of, said fuck it, fuck what people think, fuck what people are gonna say. In the end of the day, like, I'm depending on myself. I ain't over here like waiting for a welder. I ain't over here fucking, like lollygagging or saying, oh, I had to wait on shipping for parts to come in. Like, nah. It don't work that way, I want something done. I go down to the hardware store, or I go down to Home Depot, I get the supplies, and I crank this shit out. And let me tell you, it feels good. It really does feel good, because there's not a lot of people who have the confidence out there to do the work on their own. And personally, I feel like I have a lot of confidence when it comes to shit like this. Not saying that my work is the best, but it's good for me. And when I do this shit, I know I'm gonna improve. So overall, it's the best feeling. Seriously, check this out. Yeah, the welds look a little crusty, let me tell you, but it's a flux core welder. Zero complaints. This shit is durable, it's strong. I did a stress test on it, it's not breaking. If my fat ass could get on this fucking support beam, there ain't shit breaking it, let me tell you that. But like I'm telling you, it's cool. The first bracket's done. I'm almost done with the second bracket. And I'm gonna keep cranking this shit out, little by little, as baby steps for big improvements. And honestly, I'm happy with the results. The CRX, in my opinion, is coming out cool. Like I told you guys, this project is something that means a lot to me. The CRX was my first car. The CRX is something that I never thought would, get this far, to do full XM windows on it, to do a fuel cell, to have an external fuel pump, etc., turbo, all that shit. Like, it's something, let me tell you. And I want to give a lot of thanks to people who, keep me motivated. You guys keep me motivated. My friends, my family, they push me. They tell me, like, get that shit done, probably get it done. Especially the homies that come through and, they give the extra hand, they help me out. Homies that, they shoot me some parts, or they shoot me some tools to get the job done. And even the OG cats that put me on game, they told me, like, hey, these are the ropes, this is how you gotta do it, Tanque, like, pay attention, make sure you do shit the right way. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not around like that, around the OG cats anymore, but they tell me, they're like, damn, straight up, like, I love the fact that you do this shit on your own, because a lot of people don't have the courage to do so. And let me tell you, if you got an idea, you have a plan, get it done. Don't hesitate. Don't worry about people's fucking judgment, because at the end of the day, like, they gotta judge themselves before they could judge you. And personally, they have no reason to judge, because honestly, I'm 20 steps ahead. I ain't gotta wait around. Like I told you, I'm doing this shit. And you guys could too, so believe in yourself. Make sure you guys are getting your projects done. Make sure you guys are pushing through. A lot of shit happens, ups and downs with the cars, bills, life, etc. But do not give up on the projects. If you have a goal, set it, accomplish it. That's what we do. Alright everybody, I just finished throwing down the last bead right now. Let me tell you, I'm satisfied with the results. I think these brackets look pretty good, and most importantly, they are good. They're very sturdy, they're strong, there's a lot of support, and it's gonna hold this 2-gallon fuel cell like nothing. So yeah, what I'm gonna do next is hit the brackets with a wire brush. I'm gonna take off the slag, I'm gonna take off any spatter, and I'm gonna do the same for the other bracket as well. I'm not gonna be mounting it up tonight because it is currently 11:30 and I'm pretty tired. I've been up since 5 in the morning. And yeah, tomorrow's another day. So I gotta start getting ready for work. I'm gonna shower, get my clothes ready, knock out, be up and out the house by 6 in the morning. And I'm gonna do this shit again when I get off. So you guys will be seeing the final results once I get home tomorrow. Yeah, I just want to, say thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. And, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think, because I want some feedback. I'm not going to lie, I want feedback. I want to know where I can improve. I want to know where I can make the content better. If you guys want to see more racing, I'll do more racing videos. That's not a problem. I'm willing to go the extra miles and fucking get down to the local tracks or the streets or however, just to push some content. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys like these vlogs, let me know what you guys think as well. Oh yeah, hey, I don't know who thumbs down the video. I don't mind a thumbs down. Look, guys, I really appreciate honesty. So if there's improvement that needs to be done in the videos, let me know. If you're gonna throw a dislike, at least throw it in the comments where I need to make some corrections. Cause I don't know, that 1 dislike, 2 dislikes, if there's more than 3, it honestly does bother me. Not because I think my work is whack or anything, but more or less because I'm kind of like a perfectionist and I want to improve. So if you're gonna dislike, please drop something in the comments and tell me like, hey bro, you need to fix this, hey bro, you need to do that, and I'll consider it. Yeah, I'm gonna make the changes, because why? That's just what I do. I want to learn, I want to grow, I want to evolve, and I can't know where I need to make corrections if nobody's letting me know what's up. So please drop it in the comments. Please tell me where I can improve. Even if you like the video and you think I could do something else, drop feedback. Shit, I'm here to talk to you guys. I'm here to see what's up. We could all learn together. But yeah, like I said, stay tuned, guys.